It is Halloween, so today we will talk about the science of zombies. How does one become a zombie? Based on movies and TV shows, it seems like one has to die. But actually, it is pretty hard to reanimate a dead body, both in science and in nature. That is why most natural occurrences of zombies involve some organism taking control of another. Here are some examples, all with scary sounding Latin names. Leucochloridium paradoxum is a parasitic worm that infects snails that eat infected bird droppings. The parasite turns their eyes bright orange and makes them sit out in the open so that birds will eat them. Then the parasite reproduces in the bird and is released through its droppings, repeating the cycle. Next is Toxoplasmosis gondii. This parasite infects mice that eat infected cat feces. The parasite makes them lose the fear of cats and get eaten. The parasite reproduces in the cats and repeats the cycle. Finally is Ophiocordyceps unilateralis. This parasitic fungus infects carpenter ants and has the most brain control out of all of these three examples. Ants infected with this fungus are forced to get to a high place with a moist environment like a tree. Then, the fungus sprouts from its head and lets out spores. Because the ant has gone to a very specific environment, the fungus thrives and infects more ants. All of these examples are pretty creepy, but none of them invoke the image of zombies biting and infecting people. These parasites either try to make their host get eaten in order to spread more, or force them to go into an environment where they'll spread easily. Also, none of these parasites really affect people. Toxoplasmosis gondii has infected a lot of people because many have cats, but it really doesn't work because it has evolved to work on mice. Despite these two issues, what if there were a parasite that both spread through hosts biting each other and affected humans? There is one. Rabies. Rabies is a very rare disease in humans in the modern world, because not many people get bitten by animals in their day-to-day lives, and those that are unfortunate enough to get bit by an animal usually get medical attention quickly. However, the disease does cause zombie-like symptoms. It increases aggressiveness in animals so that they will be more likely to bite other animals or people. This is because the virus is in the animal's saliva. Being more likely to bite someone seems like a zombie symptom to me. The thing is, unlike our idea of a zombie virus, rabies does not completely take over the mind of the host. It just makes them more aggressive. They are still mostly there, unlike the idea of mindless zombies, but they just have some changes in behavior. Thankfully, there is no zombie parasite as seen in film. Nature can create some pretty creepy parasites, but none as horrifying as a true zombie parasite. Happy Halloween!